one helps out. So let me unpack it for you. So this is what it will look inside. There you go. Hello everyone, this is Uzi Vlogs and welcome back to another vlog and another video. Today it's going to be different because what I'm going to vlog is a little bit of a tech item. So, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and please click the notification bell down below, and also if you can leave some comments on this vlog. Alright? So just before that, I'd just like to tell you a little bit of a story about my reason on buying this item. Well, for a couple of weeks actually that I've been focusing on my YouTube channel, it came to a point wherein I'm struggling with the feel of like getting tired, because I've been on my laptop for more hours than I used to do before. I just realized, and I just actually felt that it's slowly affecting me. It's just slowly affecting my lifestyle. I'm having sleepless nights. It's not easy to sleep. I easily get tired. But I think basically it's more of the radiation from the computer or from the mobile, because as we know it, probably most of us is like dealing with the laptop or mobile at the moment because of the crisis. It came to a point wherein I said, like, you know what, I have to do something about this. Like I cannot let this continue affect me, otherwise it could probably or eventually could affect my health as well. So as I've said, prevention is cure. So one thing that I've checked, or one thing that I've noticed, is that my hands get tired easily, and I can feel actually like some electric like feeling in my hands. So I then decided to buy this like anti-radiation pad. From those, I chose the SYB anti-radiation pad. It says here SYB laptop pad, EMF radiation, laptops up to 14-inch. So just because that it's kind of affordable than the some of the brands there. That's like some of them are way over my budget, but I think like also by the reviews, this is somehow like caught my attention. So yeah, let's get it on. And this is the SYB laptop pad, EMF anti-radiation pad, as you call it. All right. Okay. So the packaging is actually from Amazon. It came from a big box, and inside is just like this thin carton like envelope, right? And it says here, there you go, SYB laptop pad, EMF something, right? And there's a logo in here that it says like a handmade and inspected individually packed in Las Vegas. When I first saw it, it's like there was not even like a logo of SYB right here. It's just like a white envelope, and then yeah, it has a barcode in there, and it has the like a sticker, like a mark. Yeah. So let's see what's inside, and I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna unbox it in front of you, for you to be able to see what's inside. I'm not really particular on how to unbox it because I'm gonna throw this envelope right away. Anyway, so oh, there you go. So there's an actual packaging, but it's sealed in another envelope, and then they put it inside a huge Amazon Prime box. But there you go. This is the laptop pad, and that's a SYB. All right, so shield your body. I think shield your body is the company to shield EMF radiation. And it says here that it reduce harmful radiation by 92%. It says there 92%. Protect your vital organs, effective against your wide spectrum of radiation emissions. Yeah, reduce all heat emissions absorbed by your body. All right, so yeah, so this is like some of the descriptions right in there. Okay, so this is the actual packaging. All right, and there's some definition right here at the back. Like it shows you the layers, of like how it protects you on the layers, and some of the descriptions on it. Okay, so yeah, I don't normally put my laptop in my lap because I put it on the table, but it still somehow kind of affects my hand, you know, like I can feel that it goes through my hands, the radiation goes through my hands, and it's really affecting me. That's why from like past 3 days I stopped doing live streams because of that. So hopefully I can go back on track and hope that this one helps out. So let me unpack it for you. So this is what it will look inside. There you go. So I chose the dark gray. It has actually two colors. I think there's a dark gray and a blue, but I chose this one, and actually it's a black as well, but I chose this one because it's very versatile. And yeah, so this is how it looks like when you initially pull it out. Okay, so it's still new, it's still packed, so I'm just gonna rip this one out. Yeah, so I'm just gonna rip it out anyway. I'm not gonna like you know, retain those packagings anyway. So there we go. This is the actual SYB EMF or radiation or anti-radiation laptop or computer pad. So but basically this is more for the laptop. If you look like on the material and the way it was designed. So yeah, there you go guys. This is how it looks like. It's really hard. It's really, you can actually feel that this is very high quality, and even the surfaces, it's kind of really like, you know, just, you know, like they thought of it like really hard. And I think hopefully that this will work, especially on my problem. So yeah, so it's very easy to put. I'm just gonna show you my laptop. So this is my laptop, and this is how it works. You just put it right in there, and of course you put it on the table, and there you go. And so we'll see. I will definitely give my feedback regarding this matter, probably on the comment, or I will see, maybe I'll do another video out of it. But yeah, so just to show you that I purchased this, and hopefully at least I can show you what's inside, how it looks like, how thin it is, how big it is, and hopefully it helps you guys, and hopefully it will help us, you know, because radiation is really bad for the health. And yeah, don't wait until it's too late. So better like protect yourself, especially for those live streamers or YouTubers out there. Don't take your health for granted. I know that somehow we've been getting busy on our streams or our YouTube stuff or gaming stuff, but just be sure to protect yourself, guys. All right, so hope that you have enjoyed one of the simple unboxings that I have. If you like this, please like this video, comment down below what you think about this product, or does anyone use this product? I want to know if this is really effective or not. And yeah, and guys, again, this is Uzi Vlogs, and I hope you guys like my vlogs. And please do subscribe, and please do like and share this video if somehow helps you out. And then hope to see you in my next vlog. All right, God bless everyone, and stay safe and stay protected. All right, goodbye.